I hope you are all fine. You know, we live in New Delhi. And Delhi has an extreme climate, where winter is very long, cold, and there are very heavy fogs. But we still enjoy gardening. We planted many vegetables in this winter season. Today we will talk about carrot planting. The ones who live in a flat or apartment may have a space issue. Last time my mom grew a carrot in a little container. So you can collect some plastic container like this one if it's available in your home. Now time to make the soil. They need soft, permeable soil. Carrots grow best in loose, sandy soil. My mom prepares the soil by 50% garden soil, 30% kitchen compost, 10% tea leaf compost, 10% dry banana peel plus eggshell. Now time to seed planting. Do you know, last time my mom grew these seeds on her rooftop garden. Do you know how? You can plant the top of carrot in the ground. Will not produce another carrot, but it will produce a carrot plant which will grow flower and seeds. The seeds can then be saved for next time growing. It is so interesting. You can try it. We also grow some seedlings on the ground. You have to ensure that carrots plant have full sunlight. Also, water your carrot plant regularly. Look, the seedlings have come out. They are growing slowly and they are so healthy. Carrots can take anywhere from 50 days to 75 days to reach full maturity. Protect your carrot plant by bioenzyme from the pests. Also, make sure to give compost after every 15 days. Please subscribe our channel if you like this video. Also watch our other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.